Alright, welcome back to another video. Today on the Analogue archive, we're opening up the LomoApparat. I'm probably pronouncing that incorrectly. And today I've been pretty excited about this one. To be honest, I've been sitting on this video for a little while now. When I opened this, I was going through about a COVID and I was pretty crook. So I'm going to redo the audio and rewatch myself fumble through this because I was really crook, and you really don't want to hear the original audio because it's pretty disgusting. I'm coughing and snotting and it's all yuck. Anyway, what I love about this opening actually is how nice the actual boxing experience for the Lomo is. So the LomoApparat, I should say. And it starts off with this beautiful, it's a lot of beautifuls, booklet full of photos of the camera, and that's something I really appreciate when it comes to opening up more modern film cameras, showing off some of those things you can do with the camera. And I just thought it was great. I'm gushing a little bit because I like it. Simple as that. Starting off with in terms of what we have here, all the basics are there, such as manuals and QR codes linked to that, warranty cards and all that fun stuff. And in addition to that, we've got a lovely little carry bag here for all your little accessories that come in the box. I'm going to talk about those a little bit later. But so far, so good. Look at that. Alright, we're going to skip ahead a little bit and pull out the camera. And this is it. This is the LomoApparat. Now, I've got the one it's a special edition version of it. And so it's got the supposedly real leather look to it, which is kind of nice. I kind of dig. I think I said in a previous video the other day that I really love colourful cameras. I do. And this is one of those ones where I was like, oh, I have to get this one because look at the colours on it. So that's the camera there. It's quite small. It's a little boxy, very plastic out interior, but I adore the look of it. I think it's great. Okay, I'm going to take the box out like so, and you can see here everything in my video today is a bit framed oddly and a bit of junk around. Like I said, I was pretty crook at the time, but I was just so eager to open it up. Okay, in that box on the left there, you can see this actually is full of accessories for the LomoApparat. It comes with a number of different lenses, a splitter, like a split turn thing. Can't remember the exact word for it, but essentially it lets you do split frame shots and all that fun stuff. Starting off though, we have a mess because I am just crook. The lens cap, there it is, with a lovely little print of the world map on it, which is kind of cool. Nice little touch. I liked that a lot. There it is. And we're going to open up our first lens for this camera. Here we go. Watch me tear it open with my caveman hands. And this one's pretty cool. This is pretty cool. I remember this when I first opened it up. It's a Kaleidoscope lens, which gives that lovely Kaleidoscope look to it. There we go. There's an example of what it looks like. So I think you can make some pretty cool shots with that. Next up, I believe this is the close-up one as well, if you want to do some more close-up shots with it. Not as intense as the Kaleidoscope, but still pretty cool nonetheless. I think I tried to show an example here that probably doesn't really do it justice, but it's still cool nonetheless. There it is. There's the splitter, and so you can do those split frames. Also comes with this lovely metal wrist chain guard strap. There we go. Words are hard. Wrist strap. And something I realized, actually after I finished recording this video, I was looking for these flash gels, and they're actually in the back of the camera, and I missed them in my first pass. So if you're opening up this for the first time as well, that's where they are. All these lovely little flash gels. So you can make all those lovely different colour flashes. And that is just about it for the Apparat. It's pretty cool. I'm pretty keen to start using it. Now I'm recovered from COVID, I'm actually pretty keen to get stuck in and use the camera and start playing around with some of the accessories like that Kaleidoscope one there. So the gel ones too, just remember, tucked in the back of the camera. But that's about it. Alright, thank you for staying tuned if you got this far with me fumbling through this video. And I'll see you next time. Ciao.